Long Weekend
Hello
Sunday.
guys, welcome back again for my mini vlog, and finally today is Sunday and ayun, I'm preparing to go to church and ayun, kumakain muna ako and ayun, nasa church na kami and papunta na kami. Medyo late na kami noon time na yan,
Church
pero
time.
go pa rin for the Lord. So, ayan, makikita nyo, preaching na kami nakaabot. Pero, we're so happy kasi first time namin yung anak namin makasama sa church kasi lagi siya nasa Sunday school. So, ayan, our family decided to eat at Jerry's Grill and then after nun, banding muna
The Grove.
Dito kami sa The Grove sa LA. And yun lang, ikot-ikot lang kami doon and we're looking for the dessert and ayun, naglakad-lakad kami and naghahanap kami ng dessert kasi sobrang init. And pag once naman nilakad mo yung sa all the way sa dulo, andun na yung farmer's market and marami dong makakainan. So habang naglalakad kami, we're getting
Then it's ice cream.
ice cream. So all of us getting ice cream. I think this one is the famous ice cream here sa The Grove. So it's really good. And yan, kinuha ko yung mint flavor.
Dylan's
Siyempre,
Candy Bar.
Hindi mapakali ang mga kiddo. So, pumunta kami sa Dylan's Candy Bar. They sell a lot of candies and chocolates. So, syempre, ikot-ikot lang aking anak. And he's trying to get his candy. Actually, hindi siya nakakapili na maayos kasi sobrang dami. And then, after nun, we're going back to sa harapan kasi may garden nga yan. So, ayun. Nag-ikot-ikot lang yung mga ibang siblings and kami naman naiwan dito sa may garden. And yun. And shout out to Zion's auntie, my sister-in-law.
Thank you, Auntie,
who bought,
Uncle, and
Zion's
Braxton.
new pair of shoes. Twinning sila ng pinsan niya si Braxton. So, sobrang thank you and nag-enjoy kami. So, what will you say to Auntie?
Take Ate.
And then, after nun, we decided to go home na. Doon muna kami sa kabila ng time na yan kasi bagsak na si Zion. So, ayan, I'm planning kasi to color my hair. Pero black lang din naman.
It's time to
and
do
thank
hair
you
color.
To my sissy,
Thanks to my sissy.
Dolly, to do my hair. Yun lang. Bye! See you!